Thank you for being a friend.
Hi everybody. Now I don't mind admitting I'm a social media addict, but it's great that we connect with people, and I've got a friend, and this friend called Jonathan. Now the thing is, Jonathan is really dead famous, but not only is he famous, he's really kind, and he and I became Instagram friends before Christmas, and he's been great in that he's directed people towards my account. And as a thank you, I messaged him. I said, right Jonathan, what are your favourite things to eat? And he gave me a list of things that he likes to eat, but one of which is Texas sheet cake. I had no idea what it was, so I've been looking it up. I've played around with the recipe, but you know, it is good. Let me show you. Nice little recipe. We've got dry ingredients, add in your eggs. I've got creme fraiche and some milk. Beat it until it's smooth, then goes in your chocolate, into the foil lined tin we did the other day, and then topped off with chocolate with roasted nuts. Fabulous.